Discover the power of seamless multimedia playback with VLConline, the ultimate Chrome extension that brings the capabilities of VLC directly to your browser. Say goodbye to the hassle of downloading additional software. With VLConline, you can play videos, music, and stream content effortlessly, all within your Chrome browser. Getting started is simple. First, head to the Chrome Web Store and search for the VLConline extension. Click the Add to Chrome button, confirm the installation, and in just a few moments, the VLConline icon will appear in your browser toolbar, ready to go. Launching the extension is a breeze. Just click the icon, and you're greeted with a sleek, user-friendly interface. Upload your favorite media files by clicking the Open File button, or paste a URL to stream content directly from the web. With VLConline, you're not limited to local files. The world of online media is at your fingertips. What makes VLConline stand out? Its rich feature set. Enjoy full control over playback with customizable settings like video effects, audio equalizer, and subtitle synchronization. Create playlists for uninterrupted viewing or listening, perfect for binge-watching your favorite series or enjoying an entire album without interruption. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. VLConline supports a wide range of formats, ensuring your media plays smoothly, whether it's video, audio, or streams. And with regular updates, you're always equipped with the latest features and improvements. For a lightweight, powerful, and convenient media player experience, VLConline is the perfect choice. Download the extension today and revolutionize the way you consume media in your browser. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Are you looking for a secure and flexible way to browse the web? With OFFI Docs, you can access the Chrome browser remotely and enjoy anonymous browsing, all without downloading or installing anything. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. First, head over to the OFFI Docs website and navigate to the Chromium browser section. Once there, simply click on the Launch button. Within seconds, a fully functional Chrome browser opens right in your web browser. No downloads, no installations, just instant access. What makes OFFI Docs truly stand out is the ability to use Chrome remotely. This means you can open the browser from any device, whether it's your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. It's perfect for staying productive on the go. Now, let's talk about privacy. OFFI Docs ensures your browsing is completely anonymous. Your IP address stays hidden, and no data is stored on your local device. It's an ideal solution for anyone who values online privacy, especially when using public Wi-Fi. Despite being cloud-based, the OFFI Docs Chrome browser offers all the features you love: extensions, bookmarks, and even developer tools. It's like having Chrome on your desktop, but with the added benefits of remote access and enhanced security. Ready to try it for yourself? Visit OFFI Docs and experience the convenience of remote, anonymous browsing with Chrome. Stay secure, stay flexible, and browse without limits.